effortless object segmentation with SAM and negative point prompts. Manually drawing masks for every object in an image can take hours. I looked into how much time it would take to manually segment everything in this image. The answer? Around 6 to 7 hours. Now imagine if I had more than 10,000 images to work on. Let's skip the math and instead see how we can speed up the process. SAM, or the Segment Anything model, is a powerful tool that quickly finds and separates all objects in an image. With just one click, it creates masks for everything: clothes, faces, backgrounds, and more. And when SAM is integrated into Labellerr's annotation pipeline, you can complete this task in under a minute. But what if you don't want everything? For example, I only want the clothes, not the face or background. This is where negative point prompts come in dot. With a few clicks, you can remove the parts of the mask you don't need. It's fast, simple, and highly accurate. In less than a minute, we have a perfect mask of the clothes, ready to use for various applications. Now, imagine applying this segmented clothing to virtual try-ons like LV or Gucci. Customers can preview how outfits look on them without needing to try them on physically. With SAM and negative point prompts, what used to take hours can now be done in minutes. It's efficient, accurate, and perfect for large datasets. Thank you for watching, and start exploring how Labellerr can help boost your workflow today. Book a demo from the link in the description.